Gross vehicle mass, or GVM, is the maximum operating weight of a vehicle when fully loaded. Pedders supplies a comprehensive range of GVM Plus upgrade kits to help raise your vehicle's GVM and ultimately carry or tow bigger loads. Ideal for fleet vehicles, tradies and four-wheel drive enthusiasts who commonly carry significant levels of weight. From a weekend away with the caravan to workers carrying the tools of trade, Pedders GVM Plus upgrade kits are perfect for anyone who needs to haul extra weight. Depending on your vehicle, the kit will include shock absorbers, coil or leaf springs, U-bolts and selected bushes. You'll also receive GVM certification and increases to your payload, axle load capacity and GVM. As well as delivering an improvement to fleet vehicle, occupational health and safety and legal compliance, GVM Plus kits are compliant with vehicle insurance, new car warranty and CAP safety ratings, and in many cases bring your vehicle in line with strict government guidelines, as all GVM Plus kits are rigorously tested and are approved by the Australian Federal Department of Infrastructure and Transport. Pedders GVM Plus upgrade kits fit a wide variety of SUVs and four-wheel drives, including Ranger, Colorado, Dmax, MUX, BT50, Triton, Navara, Patrol, Hilux, Landcruiser, Hi-Ace and Amarok. So if you need to carry, tow or haul more weight, either on the job or on the weekend, trust Pedders, Australia's undercar specialists. Lock and load with Pedders GVM Plus suspension upgrade kits.